are there still places that you can find upside and value in this kind of a market?
There are. You're going to have to be patient for it. And so when I look into the back half, there are sectors and companies where consensus is expecting 60 to 70% of pre-pandemic earnings power. And I think that that's more likely to be 90, if not 100%. And so we will see that performance trigger, we will see the earnings upside trigger performance in the back half. It won't be a multiple-driven performance. It will be an underestimated earnings-driven performance.
So where is that underappreciated earnings story? Is it in some of those reopening plays that we've already seen run so high, like airlines and cruise lines? Is it other places in the industrial complex that could benefit from a growing economy? Is it the materials companies that could maybe benefit from infrastructure? I kind of feel like many of these names, Greg, have already run a long way in a short amount of time.
Some of them have, and you're exactly right. I do like some of the sectors that you've named where, again, we've gotten the multiples in line to where they're average to above average, but the earnings are just light. And so when you look at specialty companies like DuPont that can actually take pricing, they're such an intrinsic part of their customers' end process, they'll be able to pass along the inflation that we're all discussing right now. There's certain sectors in travel, leisure, that have a very powerful outlook for the year, such as casinos, particularly those that are exposed to Asia. I'm actually staying away from things like airlines, where we don't actually know what the business model looks like. We don't know if that business traveler is coming back and coming back en masse. We don't know if they're coming back at pre-pandemic levels. I like certain growth stories as well, things like Zoom, where we are waiting to see, they're approaching some very tough compares, and we're waiting to see how much of that COVID gain was sticky. I like things that are in IT, the IT infrastructure cycle, the IT spending cycle, where again, when you look at cloud businesses, we're waiting to see how much of that is sticky and how much momentum they still have, and I think the street is underestimating that. And digital advertising is certainly kicking off a growth cycle here as well.
All right, so with that in mind, just a couple seconds left here, what's the place you would stay away from the most?
Stay away from the most things that are prone to inflationary pressures. And so those sectors that cannot take pricing, that have expanded multiples, and that we just don't know what the business model looks like. And so airlines fit squarely into that. On the cost side with fuel, we don't know where that's going, and we just don't know if their bread and butter from a revenue perspective is coming back and when.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.